Hi, welcome to Dux-Soup. To maximize Dux-Soup's potential, optimize your LinkedIn page's profile settings and privacy settings. First, your profile settings. Visit your LinkedIn page and click View Profile in the Me drop-down menu. Then edit your profile. Then, confirm that your headline is catchy and relevant to the audience you're targeting. Next, ensure that your profile photo is visible to everyone. This is essential for establishing trust. Now, your privacy settings. Click Me. Select Settings and Privacy, Visibility, and Profile Viewing options. First, the Your Name and Headline option should be turned on so that the people you visit know who you are. Second, go to Edit My Public Profile page, and on the right side, make your profile visible to everyone and check all the boxes. The more your contacts know about you, the greater their interest will be in working with you. Happy Duxing!